Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are doing very well and safe at your home. I am Ankita Das Srivastav from Divine Public School. Welcome you in your online EVS class. So students, this is your EVS book Green Compass, and today I am going to read and explain you the first lesson of this book. The name of the lesson is Look, I Have Grown, and this is page number 7. So, here is your first paragraph. Winnie is 7 years old now. She loves to wear the red top her father gifted on her 5th birthday. She tries it on for the party, but she cannot fit in it. Can you guess why? So, here all of you can see that she is Winnie and she is 7 years old now and she is trying to fit in a red top, and you know this red top was gifted to her by her father on her 5th birthday, but she cannot fit in it, and you know the reason. The reason is that she has grown up. Now, all of you look at the pictures given below and see how a child grows up with age. In the first image, you can see she is a toddler, and you know the meaning of toddler? Toddler means a young child who is just learning to walk. Now, in the second image, you can see she has grown up into a child. Now, in the third image, you can see she has further grown up into a teenager. Now, in the last and fourth image, you can see she is an adult lady. Now, all of you turn the page. The heading of this paragraph is Bigger, Taller. So, we all grow taller with the passing years. Our hands, feet, legs, fingers, and toes also grow bigger as we grow up. We also learn many new things as we grow up. Okay, students. Now, in this page, we can see that with every passing years, we all grow physically as well as mentally. For example, our body parts grow bigger and we learn many new things. Now, all of you look at what Sona and her friends have learned. Now, Sona can read storybooks. Jion can ride his bicycle. Jaspreet has learned to share. Aisha has learned to take messages over the phone. And Dan has learned to solve puzzles quickly. So, here you can see that as we grow up, we learn many new things. Now, we will move on to our next page. Few of my favorite things. Each one of us has our favorites. A favorite is something that we like the most. We like different foods, books, movies, colors, games, and pastimes. Pastimes or hobbies are activities we enjoy doing when we have free time. So, students, every one of us has our favorites. Favorite is something that we like the most. We all have different favorites. For example, some people like books, some like food, some like movies, some like music and other pastimes. Pastimes or hobbies are activities that we enjoy doing when we have some free time. Okay students, that was all for this chapter. I hope all of you understand this. Now we will meet in our next class. Till then, goodbye and take care.